Hello and welcome to Learn French with Lydia. Today we're learning about the personal pronouns in French. Les pronoms personnels sujet. One more time. Les pronoms personnels sujet. So these are the personal pronouns. Sujet is subject. Okay, we'll start by what we already know. We know the personal pronouns en anglais, in English. Okay, so we have the first section there, the singular, and then we have the plural. Okay, so we have the first, second, and third persons. In our personal pronouns, we have the first person, the second person, and the third person. So both in singular and in plural. So let's start with the first person singular. We have I. The first person, that is now the second person singular, we have you. And then the third person singular, we have either he or she, depending on the gender. Then we have plural, the first person plural, we. The second person plural, you. And then the third person plural, they. So this can mean the women, the ladies, the girls. Are they the boys, the men? Okay. Now we move on to learn them in French. Okay? Les pronoms personnels sujets en français in French. The first person, singular there. We have the first section being singulier. Can you say with me? Singulier. That is singular. Then we also have pluriel. Pluriel. That is plural. So we also have in French the first person singular, je. Je. That is to mean I. Okay? The second person singular, tu. Tu. The first person singular is je, then tu, then the third person singular, il, elle, elle. Now we move on to the pluriel section. Okay, we have nous. Nous as the plural of the first person. Nous. So in French, we do not pronounce the last consonant in a word. Okay, so here the O and U sound there are going to give us U. Okay, the same way to the second person plural, there we have vous. So we are not going to say nous or vous, we are going to say nous. Vous. Okay, and then the third person plural, if we're talking about the men, the boys, we will say il. Il. If it's the ladies or the girls or the women, we will say elle. Elle. Okay, so I've taught you a rule there how we read the words in French. We do not pronounce the last consonant in a word unless it is preceded by a vowel. Okay, like in the third person singular, there we have L. So we are pronouncing the whole L because it is preceded by letter E. Okay, but now in the plural section, the third person, we are not going to say else, we're going to say L one more time because the S here is a consonant. And in vous and in nous, okay, even up here, let me show you on our title. We say en français, français, okay? Français, we don't say française, okay? We shall learn more about French pronunciation and we shall practice to get it, okay? So we're going to do it one more time. I want you to read on the screen on your own. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Did you get that right? Bravo. So, je, repeat after me, je, tu, il, elle, and the pluriel part. All right. Nous, vous, il, elle. Okay, so we can do that in a sentence. Don't worry, I will teach you all this, how I come up with these sentences. Okay, I have simple sentences there on the screen. Can we read together? Je m'appelle Lydia. Je m'appelle Lydia. That is, I call myself Lydia. Simply, my name is Lydia. Tu es belle. Tu es belle. You are beautiful. Yeah, you are beautiful. Tu es belle. Il est. Right? Let me read that. The normal way of reading that is that il est un professeur. Il est un professeur. He is a teacher. Il est un professeur. Okay, so the double S in French, we pronounce it as S. I shall show you later that when we have a single S in between vowels, it becomes a Z. Okay, so that is it for today. See you in the next one. À la prochaine. Bisous, bisous.